Hello kids, welcome to Jashwin TV. Let's learn alphabets. A for ant. B for boat. C for carrot. D for doll. E for engine. F for fan. G for girl. H for horse. I for igloo. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lock. M for mango. N for nurse. O for octopus. P for pencil. Q for queue. R for rose. S for sun. T for tub. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for X-ray fish. Y for yolk. Z for zoo. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Jashwin TV.